Today's review is on Royal Caribbean's Excursion 7 Mile Beach Express, Georgetown, Grand Cayman. We decided to book an excursion due to the fact that if we are running late or something happens while we are out gallivanting, that the boat will not leave us. The excursion meetup and time will be on your printed ticket. Ours was Lyric Theater. There is where you will wait around until your tender boats are ready. Some ports are not set up for the bigger ships, so tender boats are used. This does make the process a little slower. Once you get to shore, you find your tent with your excursion group. We then load in a van and drive to the beach. When we arrive, they discuss the different times, which is 3 different times actually, that they could bring you back to the ship. We chose the latest time as we enjoyed this beach so much. Right where they drop you off, there is a number of chairs and umbrellas you can rent. We decided to walk further down the beach though, to where there was less people, and found a really cool restaurant. It was called They Found an Island on the Moon, and it is so amazing. Like, I'm serious, this food was over the top, and just being able to have a mudslide with my toes in the sand was pretty awesome. You can pause the video here if you'd like to look at the menu. Also, this is not American currency, and so expect a higher price. We ordered the double smash burger, crispy calamari, and the lobster roll, along with some cocktails. This part of the beach was so calm and not crowded. When you look right down to the left where they dropped you off at is so crowded. As long as you order something, they let you stay in their beachfront lounge areas. They also have an umbrella. They let us stay the whole time because they weren't busy that day. After a very relaxing beach day, we headed to the buses so we could get back to the ship. Overall, the 7 Mile Beach was a 10 out of 10 for us, and we will definitely be coming back. We hope you have a great trip and see you next time.